All right, guys, we are here in Kuala Lumpur. As you know, if you've been following me, I love koala bears. My entire life, I've collected koala bears. This is my koala bear I had since I was a child. This is Koala T-Bear. I spent basically my life savings coming here to Kuala Lumpur so I could bring him to where all the koalas are. So yeah, I'm very happy to be here.
Bell.
What?
No Kuala
There's no koalas in Kuala Lumpur?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ. All that, you know what? Well, screw it. Well, you know what we're gonna do instead? We're gonna go to the Batu Caves. That's right, look at this thing. Oh my God. We are about to take a journey. These caves here, the Hindu temple inside, you are gonna see right here, right now. And we will bring Koala T-Bear with us anyway. We got our water and now we're ready to start our journey to the Batu Caves and Temple. So this is a Hindu site, and I just noticed something I'm not thrilled with, not that it's any of my business, but how awful is this? It's the Batu Caves sponsored by Pepsi Cola. Yeah, that's right. You can't see it because they're blocking it right now, but look at that, how awful. A religious site sponsored by freaking soda companies, not a good thing. Anyway, other than that. So I don't know if I'm gonna make these stairs. Oh my God. So many stairs. This might be a younger man's journey. Oh my. This is a lot of stairs. I guess an escalator would be a lot less holy. Oh, you know what? The funny thing is, we're actually on the wrong side of the road here. They walk on the side they drive. We're on the wrong side. All right, here we go. That's why people were on that side. Oh. These monkeys actually provide a moment to catch your breath, which is nice. Hey, you want help? Come here. Come here. Oh, you got it. She got it. Smart. These monkeys are obviously very tame from all the humans. They're asking for some water for them and their babies. So I gave this guy 5 ringgit and he decided to pose for me. Looks like you got a coconut. Wow. Donation box sponsored by Pepsi Cola. It hits the spot. Or the choice of a new generation. Or whatever. So I'm extremely claustrophobic. So we will see how far in we can get before I have issues. This looks like a very big cave, so I'll probably be okay. Oh yay, more stairs. I'm gonna buy some prayer beads for my friend Dan when I'm here. These will be Hindu prayer beads. Wow. It's interesting that sometimes watching through a lens helps my agoraphobia and claustrophobia. If I don't pay attention to what I'm doing, my location, and actually just film it and see it through the film, it actually is not as bad. Of course, not thinking about it helps too. All right, so we are about to enter the Sri Vali Divyana. I believe that's the temple itself, but I could be wrong. And I'm gonna go back up this way to show this beautiful temple. So we are going up more stairs. Looks like some red ones, orange ones, and yellow ones. I'm sure they taste delicious, but I'm gonna give it a pass. I'm guessing cherry, orange, and lemon, maybe? All right. This must be the main shrine area. Here. Wow. Okay, it looks like this is the main shrine area in here. Very nice. Wow. The mama and baby monkey. All right, that's where the Batu Caves and Temple. And that's friendship, seriously. So there's other like side things also. This is a bird tree. There's a cave entrance over here. They charge 5 ringgit to enter, which is only like $1 and change, but we're just gonna get footage over here. There's a lot of fish in the sea, as they say, and here they are, proof of it, although this really isn't the sea. And those are, yeah, there's a fish. Oh, there's eels in there too. There's a lot of eels in the sea too. There's long ones, eels. So I'm not a big fan of bottled coconut water, but I was in Cambodia. I got to try natural coconut water, and it's really good. So we were going to pick some up. 7 ringgit will get you a natural coconut. I think that's expensive, but it's here at the Batu Caves, so probably worth it.
Bao nhiêu một ký?
Hello. Take it. One.
Tiền Việt Nam là bao nhiêu? Việt Nam 60 à? 60. Đấy, con này. 50.000. Việt Nam là
Thank you. All right, look at that. Full of coconutty goodness. Yum coconut. Good. All right. Wow. I missed this.